we always feel like if our financial condition is good, we'll be more happy, right? But that's not true. I'm in India right now, and I see a lot of people whose financial condition is not as good as you might think you need to have to be happy, right? But they are happy because their mental condition is good. And I'm not talking about mental health. Of course, it does impact, but also how they think about life, how they think about opportunities, how they think about the things around them. If their mental state is in a position where they're happy with what they have, and if they want to work hard, that's completely fine, right? But I see a lot of people as well who has a lot of money, who have a lot of money, but they don't seem that happy. They don't know what to how to think about things. They make money and they want to make more money, but if they're not happy with the situation they are in right now, I feel like they won't be as happy if they make 10 times more either, right? Especially if you have made enough that you'll be okay for next 2 years if you don't make too much money, right? And that might be one of the factor. Like in India, a lot of people live with their parents, so they don't need to pay that much rent, or they don't need to pay mortgage or anything like that. So they don't have that kind of responsibilities. But I feel like there is always that little bit of shift we can have in our mind, that if we train our brain how to be happy in the conditions which we are in, it will be happy in any condition. But if you are not happy in decent conditions, you won't be too happy when the conditions are 5 times better or 10 times better, because it's more about how you think, not about how things are in many cases.